Welcome back to Home Decor 101. So if you love the luxe look but not the luxury price tag, today's video is for you. I've rounded up 40 bougie Amazon finds, all under $50 to help you elevate your space without emptying your wallet. No matter what style you're going for, there's something in here to help you live your most fabulous life on a budget. These wicker baskets are an upscale, expensive-looking alternative to wired shower caddies. Instantly elevates your space and gives off total spa vibes. They're waterproof, self-draining, and can hold up to 18 pounds of shampoo and conditioner. The outside of your home is the first impression that you make, so elevate the design with the solar-powered sign. 3 color temperatures to really customize the look, plus is waterproof, heat resistant, and can withstand cold weather. These rich velvet pillow covers are giving pure luxe on a budget. The color adds a pop of sophistication, and the soft texture, chef's kiss. They instantly upgrade any sofa, bed, or reading nook, and they come in a set of 2, but the best thing about it, they come in all of these colors. Boucle fabrics like this can instantly elevate a piece of furniture, a sofa, a chair, even a bed. This is beautiful and it's available in a variety of colors. Plus, it comes in a set of 2. Let the light in without giving up your privacy. This magnolia window film looks like stained glass and instantly upgrades plain windows into something elegant and dreamy. No glue, no mess, just peel, stick, and feel fancy. There's a reason over 5,000 people have given this window tinting film 5 stars because of how easily and quickly it adds privacy without blocking any natural light. It can be cut to size and it uses static clean to mount into your windows, so there's no sticky residue left behind. Who says you can't decorate your toilet bowl for a bougie, luxurious bathroom vibe? These golden bird-shaped caps sit directly on top of the exposed bolts on the bottom of your toilet, hiding them and instantly elevating your bathroom. This silicone mat can be placed over your electric stove not only to protect the glass surface from scratches, but it also gives you extra counter space and a meal prep area or to serve on, and it's heat resistant up to 400 degrees. This 5-foot strip light can be cut to size and installed underneath your bed, your kitchen cabinets, or your bathroom vanity to create the illusion of built-in custom lighting. It's motion activated and turns on when it senses movement within 11 feet. Have you ever seen pictures of a really nice house and they have their super expensive artwork all over the wall and they have these lights that hang down on top of it just to really make it pop? You can have that too. This is absolutely gorgeous, plus is battery powered so you don't have to drill into your wall. Nothing classes up a wall like a good set of sconces. They're available in different finishes and shades. It can be controlled by a remote. They're dimmable, plus they're battery operated so you don't have to worry about hard wiring them to your wall. Every bougie home needs to have a luscious fur throw. Now this is a faux fur, which is actually what I prefer. It's 50 by 60, but just look how it can elevate a sofa. So we've all seen the home signs that are perfect for farmhouse decor, but this gives other decor styles an option too. This glam home wall decor acrylic mirror wall stickers are perfect, and you don't have to drill a ton of holes to hang them. It's been a while since I've seen a more perfect and feminine candle than this. Available in so many fragrances, but this candle jar is beautiful. This is one of the ones that once you're done using, you keep. Now usually when people burn incense, they just have a dish down that you can just lay it on and it collects the ashes. But of course, we had to get elegant with it. This incense holder is absolutely beautiful and even comes with 20 incense sticks. Sometimes the most elegant thing you can have is very simple and understated, exactly like this large black vase for flowers or just room decor. I love it, and it almost gives a concrete look to it, very on trend. Faux flowers in a room always hit or miss because sometimes if they don't look good or high quality, it can actually cheapen the look of the room, but not these. These artificial silk flowers actually look like mums and they are beautiful. Why settle for boring switch plates when you can have sparkle? These rhinestone light switch covers add instant glam to your walls. They're shiny and eye-catching. Now don't let luxury skip your bathroom. This beautiful bouquet of eucalyptus and lavender stems is absolutely perfect. You hang it on your shower head and every time you shower, the steam infuses it, giving you a beautiful smell in your bathroom. Don't just leave luxury inside your house. Take it on your patio as well. This 2-pack of 2-wick citronella candles in black ceramic jars are perfect for late evenings on the patio. Having things put together and organized always looks so much better than just laying around. This set of clear stackable storage drawers, you're going to get 2, are perfect for these. Acrylic is always in style as well. We've talked about your bougie lighting under your bed, but it can be bougie in your kitchen as well. Place these motion sensor lights under your cabinets, and every time you walk by, especially when the lights are off, this turns on, creating a beautiful ambiance. If you're one of those people that have to get up to use the restroom in the middle of the night, the worst thing you can do is flip on lights. Don't do that. Check out these LED night lights. It brightens up the floor path for you, providing a lot of lighting for your safety without waking you up. So part of having a beautiful space is having a ultra comfortable, beautiful bed. And these sheets are going to help you do that. 100% organic cotton sheets, plus they are naturally cooling. Now we're living our elegant lifestyle, so who has time to touch trash cans? This automatic motion sensor trash can holds 2 gallons, and it's so cool. You just wave your hand over it and the top automatically opens. There are certain home decor styles, while having some greenery just makes them pop more. Think bohemian or modern organic. This artificial olive tree, 6 feet tall, is going to be perfect for that. Plus it unscrews for easy storage. This candle is absolutely beautiful. It comes in a variety of scents and colors, making it the perfect match for your room, no matter what it is. Plus, just look at this beautiful textured jar. Let's get chic in the kitchen. This marble butter dish is perfect for allowing your butter to sit out, so that's why it's more spreadable, but it's in this super cute, ideal butter crock. I love this one. Now, I don't know if you're like me, but I never have enough bowls and trays around my house to hold things like keys, remotes, etc. But this vintage brass finish pedestal bowl is perfect for that. Plus, it's absolutely beautiful. This scallop concrete bowl is giving modern luxury with a twist. The white finish and ruffle edge design makes it the perfect coffee table centerpiece. It's bold, it's sculptural, and it looks way more expensive than it is. Something that's always elegant and bougie: candles, especially tapered candles. And this set of 3 tapered candle holder set is perfect. It's gold, comes in other options, and it's absolutely the best way to spruce up your space. Who knew a door stopper could be this chic and elegant? This heavy-duty, windproof stopper in matte brown bronze adds function and flair. No drilling needed, just peel, stick, and say goodbye to slamming doors forever. This little vintage mirror is serving old money charm in the best possible way. With its antique gold frame and elegant arch shape, it's the perfect finishing touch for your vanity, your entryway table, or even a cozy bookshelf moment. These faux peonies are giving luxury floral arrangement without the weekly flower bill. Creamy white, full blooms, and zero maintenance. They're perfect for adding elegance to your space year-round. Nothing cheapens a space than having a lot of random cords everywhere, but these cable anchors are perfect for your desk. Just go ahead, press them down, run your cords through them, and that way they're not all over your desk, making it look unsightly. This isn't just a tissue box, it's a whole vibe. With its sleek design and faux leather texture, it turns your everyday tissues into a bougie little moment, perfect for bedrooms or anywhere else that you want to add a touch of elegance without spending a fortune. Who said your journey into everything high-end has to stop at the shower? These oversized waffle weave microfiber towels are ultra soft, super absorbent, and dry in a flash. Plus, they add that spa day vibe to your bathroom. Why should your olive oil bottle be basic when it could be this chic? These gold top dispensers make even the most ordinary oil look high-end, sleek, minimal, and totally bougie. Spruce up any spot around the exterior of your house with these two hanging lights, which are powered by the sun. That's going to be great for your electricity bill. LED bulbs put out an inviting, warm white glow, plus they're waterproof so they last season after season. Yes, a Wi-Fi router is a necessity, but is not exactly chic decor. This wooden box with a sliding front panel will conceal it, plus electronic cables and even a power strip fit in there.